So I stopped at a Shell in Jarrell, Texas, just off the I-35. A lot of parking way down there. There's a little pathway to a gravel lot. But just a small little Shell Subway kind of thing. I wanted to hit a spot before we got into San Antonio and all that chaos down there. Going to be going through rush hour time, but yeah, it is a Sunday, but Austin and San Antonio is, you never know what you're going to get. So, but yeah, we're going to go through there. They didn't even have any coffee here. Don't know. Don't get it. But, so that just means I've got to make one. So, I'm going to go do that now. So this is basically how I make coffee in the truck. I got my little kettle here, and she opens up 2 hands. And I usually don't put 2 in because it's too much for my mug. And this can only hold 1 liter, so that should be good. A little bit of reserve water for if you happen to run down the road. You got something for a couple swigs until you can get to a stop or rest area, truck stop, or a safe place to pull over so you can hop in the back and grab something to drink. And my case doesn't want to go back. There we go. And we just turn her on, and she's gonna go there. And I need to grab, yes, I know, unfortunately it's instant coffee, but what can you do in a pinch? And where's my weight there? There it is. Okay, so we got some French, no, not French, just vanilla whitener, because gotta mix it up if it sits. It's usually what happens. And I like Folgers. This is instant, but it's no Timmy's, no Tim Hortons at all. Don't even, not even close. But no, I don't keep my stuff there anymore. But I do up here. And whoop, grab my mug. Still some in here. Not quite out. So yeah, we're just sitting here, gonna do the half hour, and we'll get to Laredo tonight. Hopefully I just drop the trailer again, and it's not too much here, I think, from here on that I'm gonna show you. So I don't know, maybe the vlog will be ending soon for today, don't know. So when you sit in your truck and you actually look out and watch other drivers, watch them back in, see what they're doing, that kind of thing. It's called bird watching. Even though you ain't bird watching, it's more like trucker watching, but it's bird watching. So if you ever hear that term, you know, usually just sitting up front, parked, and watching other truckers. And she should be pretty good. She's steaming. I don't want it to boil because if she boils, it'll be about 2 hours before it's drinkable. especially in this mug because it holds the heat in so well. But yeah, so just gonna put in some of this instant stuff. I usually do 1.5 there for that big jug. We'll unplug this. Oh yeah, that's pretty hot. Yeah, see, there's still some left there. I'll have to ditch that. Oh. Just a little bit of whitener. I got some milk in the fridge, but I actually enjoy that for my cereal a lot more. So grab a couple of these. Grab this at Walmart. And sweetener, no calories, whatever. If it's no calories, it's still bad for you one way or another. Yeah. But I only put sugar in on these when I gotta make them because I find that whitener isn't sweet. It's just kind of a flavor without the sweetness. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but that's what I'm trying to say. Usually I just use the creamer, the flavored creamers at the truck stops and stuff like that, but obviously there's sugar in that because that thing, that's sweet as hell. So and that's pretty much how I make a coffee in the truck. It takes a little bit longer, you know, but what can you do? You know, most things you'll find in the truck when you have to do things takes quite a bit of extra time, especially food wise, preparation wise. I discovered I can't use the microwave and my toaster at the exact same time. Inverter goes crazy, says forget it, too much draw at once. But I can have my microwave, PlayStation 4, which, believe it or not, the PlayStation 4 is power hungry, and my TV all on at the same time. But toaster and microwave, hell no. Oh, and a trucker's best friend, because all trucks get stale inside. I don't like that feeling when it just, you know, and to freshen things up, just a little bit of Febreze. That's all you need.